Cell wall is only present in plant cell. It is absent in animal cell. This is rigid, thick, and non-living parts of the cell. This cell wall gives rigidity of the cell. In plant cell is composed of cellulose, means complex form of carbohydrates, and cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. So this cell wall, the function of cell wall is it gives definite shape of the cell, and it also help the cell from desiccation. Third, it is also semi-permeable, so also help in the transportation of materials from one cell to the other cell. Now cell membrane. Cell membrane is very thin, elastic, living part of the cell which includes the inclusions of the cell. The cell membrane is made up of lipoprotein. This is colloidal liquid in which all the cell inclusions are present. It protects and acts as matrix in the cell membrane, in the cell. This cell membrane gave a fixed structure of the cell, provide space for the cell organelles which are shrink in the cell. This cell membrane is made up of lipoprotein, means lipid, plus protein. Cell membrane is living things. Now the cytoplasm, inclusions of the cell inside the cell membrane excluding nucleus is known as cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm is colloidal in nature. Cell membrane is not colloidal in nature. Cytoplasm is colloidal in nature. Cell membrane is membrane-like structure which covers all the inclusions of the cell, but cell cytoplasm is liquid-like structure. It is colloidal in nature. It gives support of the all the cell organelles which float into the cytoplasm. Now the nucleus is very important part of the cell. This is known as brain of the cell. Brain of the cell. This is very important part of the cell. This nucleus may be present single in one cell, each cell, or maybe multinucleus. Multinuclei are also present in syncytic cell like fungi. Nucleus are made up of first nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is the thin, elastic, membranous-like structure which covers the inclusion of the nucleus. This is double layered, single and double, two layered, in which very minute pores are present all around the nuclear membrane. These minute pores are known as nucleopore, which facilitates the transportation of materials and the information from nucleus to the cell and to the other cell. Nucleoplasm is the liquid colloidal in structure present in the under in the nuclear membrane, and a thread-like networks are present inside the nucleus. This this is known as chromatin network. During cell division, this chromatin network condense to form countable structure known as chromosome. Without rest time, chromosomes cannot be counted. It is present in the thread-like uh, wind structure known as chromatin network. Nucleolus is present in the nucleus. It is dense part and it is the place of synthesis of lipids. This is the structure of nucleus. बगले